Welcome to class 23 of learning to chant Sriman Narayaniyam. Swagatam Sarvebhyaha. Ram Ram Ram. We will begin with the Dhyana Shlokas. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala janaka shankaro devaha tam vande kunjarananam पीताम्बरं करविराजित शंख चक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधा सहायमति सुंदर मंदहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. Okay, we will begin with the revision by the panelists from the 11th Dashakam. Who can start? Ramya.
अथ एका. Am I heard?
Yeah, you're heard.
क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्या सनकादयास्ते भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश.
You will have to repeat. That is not the raga in which it was taught, though the raga is fine. It is Kramena Sarge Parivardhamane.
क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्या सनकादयास्ते भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकं प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश. मनोज्ञनैश्रेयसकाननाद्यैः अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः भवद्दिदृक्षून् भवनं विविक्षून् द्वास्थौ जयस्तान् विजयोऽप्यरुन्धां तेषां च चित्ते पदमापकोपः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणयैव भूमन्. वैकुण्ठलोकानुचितप्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतम् इति प्रशप्तौ भवदाश्रयौ तौ हरिस्मृतिर्नोस्त्विति नेमतुस्तान्. तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः आनन्दयं स्थानभिराममूर्त्या.
Spurti from shloka number 6.
प्रसाद्य गीर्भिस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान् अनन्यनाथावथ पार्षदौ तौ संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेतमित्यात्तकृपन्यगादीः. त्वदीयभृत्यावथ काश्यपात्तौ सुरारिवीरा उदितौ द्वौ सन्ध्यासमुत्पादनकष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ. हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः उभौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्धान्निजवासनान्धौ तयोर्हिरण्याक्षमहासुरेन्द्रः रणाय धावन्ननवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वाद्विनदन् गदावान् ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वां भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वं निरुन्धिरोगान्मरुदालयेश इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये सनकादीनां वैकुण्ठदर्शनं हिरण्याक्षस्य तथा हिरण्यकशिपोः जननं चेति 11 दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
Purti, continue second 12.
अथ 12 दशकम् स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्ना स्रष्टा रमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके कष्टं प्रजाः सृजति मयि यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मुनिना स्वयंभूः
कथितो मनुना
इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्भोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत् हा हा विभो जलमहन्यपिबं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभवः शिशुकोलरूपी अङ्गुष्ठमात्रवपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृशः समजृम्भतास्त्वम् अभ्रे तथाविधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगान् सह सूनुभिस्त्वैः कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरिशैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम्.
We will go on to the new shlokas. Before that, the memorization tests begin from tomorrow. 41 people had registered, and I had sent all of them a mail regarding selection of slots. And only 23 of you have selected the slots. So the others, please see your mail and select your slots, since it begins tomorrow and we have it over the next 4 or 5 days. And all others, you can attend and watch the test. And the link for the test will be sent tomorrow, like the similar GoToWebinar link. A GoToMeeting link will be sent tomorrow through mail, and anyone can join and watch the test. And you would have all seen the previous test has been uploaded on YouTube, how the test went, and so you can watch that also. Anyway, that was the announcement. So that all the people who are participating, please select your slots. So there are 17 more people who need to select their slots. We will begin with shloka number 6. Arjun, repeat after me. Tante
ninadamupakarnya
जनस्तपस्थाः
जनस्तपस्थाः
सत्यस्थिताश्च
सत्यस्थिताश्च
मुनयः
मुनयः
नुनुवुः
नुनुवुः
भवन्तम्
भवन्तम्
नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
तत्स्तोत्र
तत्स्तोत्र
हर्षुलमनाः
हर्षुलमनाः
परिणद्य भूयः
परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयम्
विपुलमूर्तिः
विपुलमूर्तिः
अपातरस्त्वम्
वातरस्त्वम् अवातरस्त्वम्
Tell your pitch, Tante, in your own pitch.
तन्ते
Okay. Tante
निनादम्
उपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः
उपकर्ण्यजनस्तपस्थाः
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयः
सत्यस्थिताश्च नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः
तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलमनाः
परिणद्य भूयः
परिणद्य भूयः
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिः
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिः अवातरस्त्वम्
ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः
तन्ते निनादमुपकर्ण्यजनस्तपस्थाः
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम्
तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः
तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्
तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्
The whole shloka twice.
तन्ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तस्तोत्रहर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वं तन्ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तस्तोत्रहर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्.
Spurti, repeat after me, shloka number 7. ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि
ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि
परिधूम्र
परिधूम्र परिधूम्र
विधूतरोमा
विधूतरोमा विधूतरोमा
प्रोत्क्षिप्त
प्रोत्क्षिप्त प्रोत्क्षिप्त
वालधिरवाङ्मुख
वालधिरवाङ्मुख वालधिरवाङ्मुख
घोरघोणः
घोरघोणः घोरघोणः
तूर्णप्रदीर्ण
तूर्णप्रदीर्ण तूर्णप्रदीर्ण
जलदः
जलदः जलदः
परिघूर्णदक्षिणः
परिघूर्णदक्षिणा परिघूर्णदक्षिणा
स्तोतृन्मुनीन्
स्तोत्रन्मुनीन् स्तोत्रन्मुनीन्
स्तोतृन्मुनीन्
स्तोत्रन्मुनीन् स्तोत्रन्मुनीन्
शिशिरयन्
शिशिरयन् शिशिरयन्
अवतेरिथत्वम्
अवतेरिथत्वम् अवतेरिथत्वम्
ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि
ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि
परिधूम्रविधूतरोम
परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा
प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिः
प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिः प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिः
अवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः
अवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः अवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः
तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः
तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः
घूर्णदक्षिणः
परिघूर्णदक्षिणा परिघूर्णदक्षिणा
स्तोतृन्मुनीन्
स्तोत्रन्मुनीन् स्तोत्रन्मुनीन्
शिशिरयन्नवतेरिथत्वम्
शिशिरयन्नवतेरिथत्वम् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिथत्वम्.
So the last line, it's not stotrun, it is stotrun. There is rikara dirgha is there, which is not printed. So we will correct it. It is stotrun muni. Stotrun. I'll change it. Anyway, so that is a confusion. I think most of your books will have stotrun in dirgha. Stotrun. ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूतरोमा
ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा
प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः
प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः
तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः परिघूर्णदक्षिणाः
तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः परिघूर्णदक्ष्णा तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः परिघूर्णदक्ष्णा
स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिथत्वम्
स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिधत्वम् स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिधत्वम् ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा प्रोक्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः परिघूर्णदक्ष्णा स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिधत्वम् ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा प्रोक्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः परिघूर्णदक्ष्णा स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिधत्वम्
on to shloka 8. Arjun, yes. Antarjalam Arjun,
Antarjalam. Antarjalam.
Tadanusankula
Tadanusankula. Tadanusankula.
Krachakram
Nakrachakram. Nakrachakram.
Bhramyatimingila
Bhramyatimingila. Bhramyatimingila.
Kulam
Kulam. Kulam.
Kalushor Mimalam
Kalushormimalam. Kalushormimalam.
Avishya
Avishya. Avishya.
Bhishana Ravena
Bhishanaravena. Bhishanaravena.
Rasatalashthan
Rasatalashthan. Rasatalashthan.
Akampayan
Akampayan. Akampayan.
Vasumatim
Vasumatim. Vasumatim.
Agaveshayastvam
Agaveshayastvam. Agaveshayastvam.
Antarjalam
Antarjalam. Antarjalam.
Tadanusankula Nakrachakram
Tadanusankulanakrachakram. Tadanusankulanakrachakram.
You're telling right correctly. Don't drop the swara at kula because sankula is one word. So tell it as Tadanusankula Nakrachakram
Tadanusankulanakrachakram. Tadanusankulanakrachakram.
Bhramyatimingilakulam
Bhramyatimingilakulam. भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलम्
कलुषोर्मिमालम्
कलुषोर्मिमालम्
आविश्य भीषणरवेण
आविश्य भीषणरवेण
रसातलस्थान्
रसातलस्थान्
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम्
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम्
अगवेशयस्त्वम्
अगवेशयस्त्वम्
अन्तर्जलम् तदनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रम्
अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रम् अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रम्
भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलम् कलुषोर्मिमालम्
भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम्
आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान्
आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान्
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम्
आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम् अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रम् भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम् अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रम् भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम्.
So somebody is asking whether it is Kalupo-mimalam. No, it is Kalushor-mimalam. I don't think there is any other part of Veda there. The word is in the second line here in this shloka. The word is Kalushor-mimalam. There is no confusion there. Shloka number 9. Spooty, repeat it.
दृष्ट्वाथ
दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते
संवेशितां
झटिति कूटकिटिः विभोत्वम् आपातुकान् अविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण
दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण
वसुधाम्
वसुधाम्
अदधात् सलीलम्
अदधास्तलीलम्
दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन
दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन
रसातलान्ते
रसातलान्ते
संवेशितान् झटिति
संवेशितां झटिति
कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम्
कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम्
आपातु गानविगणय्य
आपातु गानविगणय्य
सुरारिखेटान्
सुरारिखेटान्
दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण
दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण
वसुधामदधाः सलीलम् वसुधामदधाः सलीलम् दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितान् झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम् आपातु गानविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधामदधाः सलीलम्
दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितान् झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम् आपातु गानविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधामदधाः सलीलम् दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितान् झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम् आपातु गानविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधामदधाः सलीलम्
रघु अण्ण अभ्युद्धरन् अथतराम् दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित
मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित
इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
इवाधिकपीवरात्मा इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
इवाधिक
इवाधिक इवाधिक
पीवरात्मा
पीवरात्मा पीवरात्मा
उद्धूत
उद्धूत उद्धूत
घोरसलिलात्
घोरसलिलात् घोरसलिलात्
जलधेरुदञ्चन्
जलधेरुदञ्चन् जलधेरुदञ्चन्
क्रीडावराह वपुः
क्रीडावराह वपुः क्रीडावराह वपुः
ईश्वर
ईश्वर ईश्वर
पाहि रोगात्
पाहि रोगात् पाहि रोगात्
अभ्युद्धरन्नथ
अभ्युद्धरन्नथ अभ्युद्धरन्नथ
धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न
धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न
मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित
मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित
इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
इवाधिकपीवरात्मा इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
उद्धूतघोरसलिलात्
उद्धूतघोरसलिलात् उद्धूतघोरसलिलात्
जलधेरुदञ्चन्
जलधेरुदञ्चन् जलधेरुदञ्चन्
क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर
क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर
पाहि रोगात्
पाहि रोगात् पाहि रोगात्
अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न
अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न
दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित
दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित
मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा
उद्धूतघोरसलिलाज्जलधेरुदञ्चन्
उद्धूतघोरसलिलाञ्जर उद्धूतघोरसलिलाज्जलधेरुदञ्चन् उद्धूतघोरसलिलाज्जलधेरुदञ्चन्
क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्
क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात् अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्नमुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूतघोरसलिलाज्जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात् अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्नमुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूतघोरसलिलाज्जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
वराहावतारन्नाम
वराहावतारन्नाम
द्वादशं दशकं समाप्तम्
द्वादशं दशकं समाप्तम् द्वादशं दशकं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये वराहावतारन्नाम द्वादशं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
So today we will stop with there. I will make some announcements and then we will have a mock test and then I will repeat the whole of the 12th Dashakam. And as I said, the memorization test starts from tomorrow. And I just wanted to give a tip for memorization. For people who are memorizing or doing this. For people who want to memorize better, when you take a shloka, in class I teach it, for example, let us take the shloka. So in class, first I teach it word by word and then half a line and then full line. So you repeat it around in class, I think we repeated around at least 10 times on the whole. So once you are comfortable with reading that, once you are comfortable with reading the shloka, then to memorize, it is not enough if you just keep reading the shloka again and again. So what you should do is you should take one line at a time. For example, the first line, Abhyuddharannatharan Dashanagra Lagna. Take that and repeat it 5 times. Just that line. Look at the book, keep it in front of you, and then go on repeating it. Like Abhyuddharannatharan Dashanagra Lagna. 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 Mustangurankita ivadhikapivaratma. Mustangurankita ivadhikapivaratma. Mustangurankita ivadhikapivaratma. Mustangurankita ivadhikapivaratma. Mustangurankita ivadhikapivaratma. So like this, you have to keep a count and you have to repeat it 5 times each line. And then since these 2 lines are joined, repeat them both together again 5 times. Abhyuddharannatharan Dashanagra Lagna Mustangurankita ivadhikapivaratma. Like this 5 times. Then by the time you have repeated it 5 times, it will already be in your head. If not, repeat it once more 5 times. So whether you are a small child or middle-aged or old age, this is the best way to memorize. There is no other way to memorize. Memorization means our brain has to get imprinted on the brain. So wherever it is asked, however it is asked, you have to be able to tell. So what in the beginning, what we usually do is we try to remember some words in some way, and then you read it twice and then close the book and start telling. So that is not to be done at all. Keep looking at the book and read it about 80 to 100 times it has. So in class, we finish it 10 times. So if you look at the book and read it another 20, 25 times, the first level, so short term, it will come into the short term memory. So you will be able to repeat it right away. If I ask you as soon as you read it, you will be able to tell it. But then long term, it will not stay. So over the week, for example, I teach between 5 to 7 shlokas. Only when the shloka is small, it goes to 8 shlokas. So between 5 to 7 shlokas, it happens every week. So what you do is, over the week, anyway, these shlokas come up as my separate recording is also there. So once it comes into the short-term memory, while doing some other work, whether you are cooking or doing something else, which does not require much concentration, it goes on involuntarily, or you are just driving to some place, you can put this on the on YouTube, you just play it, and then along with it, you should keep reciting. So over the week, you should have repeated it about 20 to 30 times. So by the time you reach the next class, you should have already gone through it 60 to 70 times. It is not very difficult. See, 5 shlokas is going to take 2 to 3 minutes to say. So 50 to 60 times means about 150 minutes over or 200 minutes. And 3 hours, you don't have to spend those 3 hours separately sitting also. While doing some other work, either on the earphone or some speaker or just on the cell phone, you just allow it to run. So you will get very familiar with the words, and then when you read it twice again, so you will read it 30 times, listen to it 50, 60 times, and then you just repeat it, it will come very easily. So this is the main method how you have to by heart. So for children, it will get stuck in the brain in about 50 to 60 times. And even if they finish it 100, 105 times, then they are set for life. They will never forget it in their lifetime. And for middle age, beyond 16 years of age, you will have to repeat it a little more number of times, and then you will have to always keep in touch so that you do not forget. So this is the best way. You have to keep account, and once you have finished each line 5 times, the whole shloka should be said 5 times, and then you take a set of 5 shlokas and repeat the set of 5 shlokas 5 times. So that's how it goes. So the brain just has to get imprinted in the brain, like how it is written in the computer memory. Okay. So now one of our students, Aparna Sai Ganesh, is ready for a mock test for tomorrow. So we will just have the mock test for 5 minutes, and then I will repeat the whole of the 12th Dashakam for recording purpose. So you can unmute yourself, Aparna Sai.
Namaskaram.
Namaste. We will start with the Dashakam 6. You can start.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Atha Shashtam Dashakam. Evam Chaturdash Jaganmayatam Gatasya Patalamesha Tava Padatalam Vadanti Padordhvadesham Api Devarasatalam Te Gulphadvayam Khalu Mahatalam Adbhutatman Janghe Tala Talamatho Sutalam Chajano Kinchoru Bhaga Yuga. I'm sorry. Bharandra Padamishwara Vishwakanda Chandamsi Keshava Ghanastava Keshapashaha Ullasi Chilli Yugalam Druhinasya Geham Pakshmani Ratri Divasau Savita Chanetre Nishesha Vishwarachanacha Kataksha Mokshaha Karnau Mukharan Dayaswaragana Mukharandramagni Deva Bhujastanayugam Tava Dharma Devaha Prishtam Twadharma Iha Deva Manasudam Shuhu Avyaktameva Hridayam Bhujamam Bhujaksha Kukshis Samudra Nivaha Vasanam Tu Sandhye Kshepa
Karma Samaye
स्मरणीयमाहुः तस्यान्तरात्मवपुषे विमलात्मनेते वातालयाधिपनमोऽस्तु निरुन्धिरोगान् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये विराट् पुरुषवर्णनं नाम षष्ठं दशकं समाप्तं। नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। अथ सप्तमं दशकम्। एवं जगन्मय एवं चतुर्दश जगद्रूपेण जातः पुनः एवं देव I'm sorry, I can't hear.
एवं देव चतुर्दशात्मक
जगद्रूपेण जातः पुनः तस्योर्ध्वं खलु सत्यलोकनिलये जातोऽसि धाता स्वयं यं शंसन्ति हिरण्यगर्भमखिलत्रैलोक्यजीवात्मकं यो भूत्स्फीतरजो विकारविकसन्
पुमानिति
कोऽसौ मामवदत्पुमानिति जलापूर्णे जगन्मण्डले दिक्षु द्वीक्ष्य किमप्यनीक्षितवता वाक्यार्थमुत्पश्यता। दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रमात्ततपसा तेन त्वमाराधितः तस्मै दर्शितवानसि स्वनिलयं वैकुण्ठमेकाद्भुतम्। माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखा भावास्तु दूरं गताः सान्द्रानैरभिवृता विद्युल्लता तुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुका लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवं तत्ते पदं देहि मे। तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्याकल्पदीप्राकृति श्रीवत्साङ्कितं इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रतोष्य नितरां तच्चित्तगूढस्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैरयः स भगवन् उल्लासयोल्लाघताम् इति श्रीमन्नारायण दशकम् 8। अथ अष्टमं दशकम्। स्थितः स कमलोद्भवस्तव एवं तावत् प्राकृत प्रक्षयान्ते ब्राह्मे कल्पे ह्यादिमे लब्धजन्म ब्रह्मा भूयस्त्वत्त एवाप्यवेदान् सृष्टिं चक्रे पूर्वकल्पोपमानाम् अस्मादृशां पुनरहर्मुखकृत्य तुल्यां सृष्टिं करोत्यनुदिनं स भवत्प्रसादात् प्राग्ब्राह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुप्तप्रबोधनसमास्ति तदापि सृष्टिः पञ्चाशदब्दमधुना स्ववयोर्धरूपम्
कामस्त्वयि सन्निलीये
जगन्ति च त्वज्जठरं समीयुः तदेदमेकार्णवमास विश्वम् दिनावसाने च तदेदमेकार्णवमास विश्वम् कालाख्यशक्तिं प्रवेशे फणिराजिशेषे जलैकशेषे भुवने स्मशेषे आनन्दसान्द्रानुभवत्स्वरूपः स्वयोगनिद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा कालाख्यशक्तिं प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधयेत्यादिशता किलादौ त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन
Bahirniritam
निरीतं पुरितस्फुरद्भिः स्वधामभिर्ध्वान्तमलं न्यकृन्तत् सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे अस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धा किल वेदराशिः अस्मिन् परात्मन्ननुपाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूः किमहि कारणं सम्भवेत् इति स्म कृतनिश्चयः स खलु नालरन्ध्राध्वना स्वयोगबलविद्यया समवरूढवान् प्रौढधीः तत्त्वदीयमतिमोहनं न तु कलेबरं दृष्टवान् ततः सकलनालिका विवरमार्गगो मार्गयन् प्रयत्स्य शतवत्सरं किमपि नैव सन्दृष्टवान् निवृत्य कमलोदरे सुखनिषन्न एकाग्रधीः समाधिबलमादधे भवदनुग्रहैकाग्रही शते कलाय कुसुमप्रभं गलितलोल्लसत्कौस्तुभं वपुस्तदयि भावये कमलजन्मने दर्शितम्
Good. Continue.
Huh? I'm
It'll
sorry. कमलजन्मने दर्शितं किरीट मकुटो प्रकर मे श्रुति प्रकर दर्शिते प्रचुर वैभव श्रीपते हरे जय जय प्रभो पदमुपैषि दिष्ट्यादृशोः कुरुष्व धियमाशु मे भुवन निर्मितौ तेनैव सह प्रकल्प्य भुवनत्रयी प्रववृते प्रजा निर्मितौ तथाविध कृपाभरो गुरुमरुत्पुराधीश्वर त्वमाशु परिपाहि मां गुरुदयोक्षितैरीक्षितैः इति श्रीमन्नारायण. Thank you. Can I? Yeah.
It's a very good effort. So all of you, there are around 250 people or more seeing. So this is a very good performance. So as you can see, so both Smaranam. So she started off when I started with the beginning of the shlokas, everywhere she could get. So then I started asking second, third, and fourth padas. So there also in most places, except 2 or 3 places, she was able to continue in most places. So that is a very good performance. It does not mean if you make mistakes, your marks always reduce. The tougher the question, that is if I ask in the 4th pada, 3rd pada, so that means I'm not always going to reduce marks simply because you didn't tell the next line. And also Spashtata was quite good. So in a couple of places you can improve on the Mahaprana, like Prishtam Tvadharma Ihadeva. So those places, a little more stress on the Mahaprana would be nice. Other than that, it was a very good performance. So do not worry that you will stop somewhere or that you will not be able to get the next shloka. If you have read it enough number of times, you will surely be able to get it. So as I said, after by-hearting the shloka, you should also tell the whole dashakam together 5 to 10 times. Then automatically the next shloka also will come by itself. So wherever it is asked, it does not matter. So just like the next line of a shloka comes, like that the next shloka also will automatically begin. So it just becomes almost involuntary. Without even you reminding yourself of what the next line is, it will automatically happen. So now I will just recite the whole of the 12th dashakam. Then we will take some student recitations and thank you. Then we will take some student recitations and questions if we have time. अथ 12 दशकम् स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीम समये सलिले निमग्नाम् स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके कष्टं प्रजासृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्भोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत हाहा विभो जलमहन्यपिबं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभवः शिशुकोलरूपी अङ्गुष्ठमात्रवपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृशः समजृम्भथास्त्वम् अभ्रे तथाविधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सह सूनुभिः स्वैः कोऽसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदचितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरिशैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जिथ घोरघोरम् तन्ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलवनाः परिणत्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम् ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुखघोरघोणः तूर्णप्रदीर्णजलदः परिघूर्णदक्षिणा स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिथत्वम् अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रम् भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलङ्कदुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम् दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशिताञ्छटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वम् आपातुकान् विगणय्यसुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधामदधाः सलीलम् अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरान् दशनाग्रलग्नमुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूतघोरसलिलाज्जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराहवपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये वराहावतारं नाम 12 दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. Now we will have some recitation by the students. I will put all your hands down, then raise your hands for recitation. Yeah, I put all the hands down. You can now raise your hands for recitation. After recitation, we will have questions. So if at all anybody has, I hope there are not any questions today. We will start from Dashakam 11 for a revision of recitation. Saraswati Swaminathan. Then I will call Radha Ram Mohan. Saraswati Swaminathan. You are self-muted. Radha Ram Mohan. Saraswati Swaminathan. Yes.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Shall I recite 11th Dasakam, 6th slokam or?
First shloka.
क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्तमाने कदापि दिव्यासनगादस्यते भवद्विलोकाय विगुण्डलोकम् प्रपेतिरे मारुदमन्दिरे स मनोजैनश्रये सगाननाति.
Wait, can you hear me? Here, Parivardhamane, you have to give the Mahaprana. Parivardhamane.
परिवर्तमाने कदापि दिव्यासनगदयस्ते
Marudamandiresha. It is Shakara, not Sa. Marudamandiresha.
मारुदमन्दिरेश मनोजैन
Good, enough. Radha Ram Mohan.
मनोजैन श्रेयस. Shall I continue, Ji?
No, I will, next person will say Radha Ram Mohan. Radha Ram Mohan.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste. First itself is sure.
Second.
Okay. मनोज्ञनैश्रेयसकाननाद्यैः अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वरा प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः.
First line, Manogya Naishreyasa. Naishreyasa is one word. So do not drop the tune at Naishreyasakana. Don't do that. That's all. You told it correctly. No mistake as such. Yeah. And we will go to shloka number 3. Vatsala Jambunathan. Then I'll call Mohana Sundararaj.
Hello, Namaskar ji. Namaste. Bhavadi Bhavat Trikshun Bhavan Vivikshun Bhavat Trikshun Bhavanam Vivikshun Twastatau Jayastan Vijayopyarindam Tesham Chachitte Padamapagopah Sarvam Bhavatrenaya Bhuman Bhavatrenayaiva Bhuman.
Mohana Sundararajan.
Wow.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Can you? Yeah. Ram Mahodaya. Vaikuntaloka nuchita pracheshto kashto yuvam daityagadim bhajetam iti prashaptau bhavadakshayauto harishmriti no stitavitine matustan.
Repeat the fourth line.
Yes, sir.
Fourth line.
Yeah. Arish Mritino Stivati. Sorry, sir. Arish Mritino Stviti Nematustan.
No Stviti.
No Stviti. Okay. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much for all the efforts taken by you.
Thank you.
Without you, we would not have learned this much. Thank you very much. Dhanyavadaha.
With Z25, then I'll call Ashok Army. Hari Om.
Tade tadajnaya bhavanavaptaha sahaiva lakshmya bahirambujacha Sageshwaram sarpita charubahuhu Anandayanstan abhiramamurtya.
Very good. Correct. Well said. Ashok Arvi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Prasadya Girbhirstuvato Munindran Ananyanathavatha Parshadautau Samrambha Yogena Bhavaistribhirmam Upeta Mityata Kripanyagadihi.
Very good. Just repeat the first line.
Prasadya Girbhirstuvato Munindran.
There is no rakara after girbhir. It is girbhistuvato.
Prasadya Girbhistuvato Munindra.
That's all. Very good. Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank
you. Devi Rajan. Then I'll call okay, the Devi Rajan. Devi Rajan.
Namaste ji.
Namaste.
Tvadiya bhritya vata kashyapatau surarivi kashyapa ka. Okay. Tvadiya bhritya vata kashyapatau surarivira udhidau tidhau tvau sandhya samutpadana kashta cheshtau yamau chalokasya yama vivanyau.
You are reciting well. You are giving Mahaprana where there are no Mahapranas. For example, this is just Kashta Cheshtau, not Kashta Cheshtau. Kashta Cheshtau is enough.
Kashta Cheshtau.
That's all. And Kashyapatau is also not Kashyapatau. It is Kashyapatau. That's all. It is just two. It and ta. So that's there. There is no Mahaprana. It is not a.
Okay.
Yeah. Correct.
Sure.
No.
Okay, good.
No. Jyoti Shanai, shloka number 8.
Shloka number 8, sir.
Yes, 8.
Okay. Hiranya. Yeah, 1 minute. Hiranyapurvah kashipuk kilaikaha paro hiranyaksha iti pratitaha ubho bhavannathamasheshalokam rushanyarundham nijavasanandhau.
Very good. Only the second line. It is not iti. Don't make it dirgha. It is iti pratitaha.
Okay. Paro hiranyaksha iti pratitaha.
Very good. Very good. Kalpana Rajagopal, shloka number 9. Kalpana Rajagopal.
Namaste. Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Yes.
तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः रणाय धावन्ननवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियाक्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वाद्विनदन् गदावान्.
Very good. Okay.
धन्यवादः. धन्यवादः.
Rajeshwari Khanna, shloka 10. Rajeshwari Khanna, and next I'll call Radha Rao. Radha Rao.
तथो जलेशा सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशस्त्वां भक्तैकदृश्य सह कृपानिधै त्वं निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
Good recitation. The second line is Gaveshayam Stvam. Together.
Gaveshayam Stvam.
And here in the third line, though the word is Saha, we should not tell Saha because of the Visarga goes. It is, therefore it is Sakrupa Nidhetvam, as it is printed. Sakrupa Nidhetvam.
Sakrupa. Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Radha Satish. Radha Satish. Yes. 12th Dashakam first.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
It is Mokshabdi Ragam, स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नाम् स्रष्टारमापसरणं भवतङ्क्रिसेवा तुष्टासयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके.
Very good recitation. Good.
Thank you.
Bhavani TV Venkatanarayana.
राम राम महोदय.
राम राम.
कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पयत प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत्.
Very good, very good. Well recited. Suvarna Sudagoni.
विपोजलमहं न्यपिबं पुरस्तात्.
विभो जलमहन्यपिबं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति महीमिमहं
करोमि इत्थं
त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणय्यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी.
Very good, very good. Well recited, well recited. Vanamala, shloka number 4. Vanamala.
Hear me?
Yes, I can.
Namaskaram. Angushtamatra vaburutpatita purastat भूयोथ कुंभि सदृश समृजिम्भधास्त्वं समजृम्भधास्त्वम् अभ्रेतभाविदमुदीक्ष भवन्दमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सह सूनुभिः स्वैः स्वैः.
Shloka number 5, Sri Devi.
Thank you.
Sri Devi. Sri Devi.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaste. Yes.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram.
कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किडिरुत्थितो मे नासापुडात् किमु भवेदजिदस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयदिथा शैलमात्रः सदो भवन् किल जगर्जिद्धघोरम्.
Very close to very well recited. A little more practice will be good.
Okay,
so that is the end of revision for today. If anyone has, I'm dropping all the hands. If anyone has any question, you can ask me. Only for questions, please raise your hands. Yes. If you don't have question, put your hand down. Okay. Yes. Ashok Harvi. Okay, you don't have. Ashok Harvi. Shanti Subramaniam. Shanti Subramaniam.
No, I didn't want to raise by mistake. I didn't have any doubt. It's only by mistake. Yeah.
KR.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
I participated in the last time competition, but this time I'm not able to complete that 5 dashakams. Is it still okay to participate? Just reading itself is okay, or I'll join the next time?
Reading is separate. That I will conduct afterwards separately. Next time for memorization, again 11 to 15 you can join. If you can do 11 to 15 later, you can join 11.
Dhanyawad Mahodaya.
Jyoti Shanai.
Yeah, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Yeah, in this Upajati meter, like Vasanta Tilaka is 14 letters. In Upajati meter, how many letters are there?
Upajati is 11 letters. I think it is there on the slide also. Upajati is 11 letters. It is actually Upajati, a mixture of Indravajra and Upendra Vajra.
Okay. And is it recited in a particular tune, this 11th Dashakam, Raga?
All that have multiple tunes. So each one traditionally they have many different tunes. So I have just chosen one of the tunes that I like and I usually recite in. So any tune is fine.
Okay, yeah, the tune is beautiful. That's why I asked. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Like this today when my sister started reciting, she took a different tune altogether.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to confuse everyone. So I said revert back to the tune that I have taught you.
Yeah, I could make out that it was a different tune, and I little bit got confused that because in my mind there was a different tune running.
Exactly,
I could make
right.
out. Yeah.
So when you memorize, it becomes different. So that's why I asked her to get back to the tune with the
Yes. Thank you very much.
Ram.
Ram.
Then I'll call Chitra Tyagarajan. Vanamala.
Can you hear me now? Namaskaram. After 25 dashakams, you said you will take the recitation test. So the test will be like you will be showing us the text and telling us to read, or we will have to keep our textbook and read whichever you tell us.
Your own textbook because if I have to show, I will think about it. I have not thought about recitation because it's still quite some time away. We have another 12 dashakams to go, 12, 13 dashakams to go. So I will give you the details there.
Okay, thank you.
Some of them I cannot show all languages. Some of them will want in Kannada or Telugu or Malayalam or so. So I can show only in these two scripts that I have. That will become a little complex. Better to have your own.
Our own. Okay, thank you, sir.
Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Can you hear me?
Namaste. Yes, I can.
Yes. இது வந்து இப்போ எங்களுக்கு ரீடிங் டெஸ்ட் வந்து after you complete 25 தசகம் அப்புறம் தான் வைக்க போறேன்னு இல்லையா ரீடிங் okay it will be on the same line as the memorization also like we start reading and then suddenly you switch over to some other அந்த மாதிரியா
Yes, very similar. Rather I might instead of telling some line I might give you I might tell you dashakam 8 7th shloka or something like that.
Oh அப்படியா okay
I'm still not going to do it completely, but since you have the book in hand, I can do things like that.
Okay, I think that will be nice. Dasakam சொல்லி நீங்க ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் சொன்னேன்னா we can easily identify. The starting of the sloka சொன்னேன்னா we have to search.
No, that is not good because that is for memorization because they have already memorized. So once you give them a start, they will continue from there. For people who are referring to the point is they have not memorized. So they will have a different kind of idea.
Okay. அப்புறம் இந்த present வந்து 12th வராகவதார வர்ணனம் தசகம் இருக்கு இல்லையா?
Yes.
அது லாஸ்ட் லைன் இருக்கு ஸ்ரீமத் நாராயணியே வராக அவதார வர்ணனம்னு சொல்றதுல மகாரம் அந்த ஃபுல்லா கட் பண்ணி போட்டுருக்கேன் நாமத்துக்கு முன்னாடி.
It can be அனுஸ்வாரமா போடும். It should be அனுஸ்வாரம்.
அனுஸ்வாரமா போடணும் இல்லையா? I just want to ask you what it should be. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Geeta Vinod.
Ram Mahoday.
Ram.
There was some issue with my phone and I missed those mails that you had sent. Ipadam paathen. Just when I was attending the class, I realized that I just wanted to explain that.
I'll open the form. You can register and then you can select your slot also tonight.
Okay. Till when do we have the test? Till last date will be when?
Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Thursday. I would request you to give me Thursday slot because I realized only today that the tests
no
are
problem.
on.
There is one slot on Thursday. Even if it's not that, we just say we figure it out over mail.
Okay. Yeah. Dhanyawada, Mahoday.
Usha Bharati.
Hello.
Usha Bharati.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Today only I have joined this class. I just came to know about this website. How to learn about the old one or Dasakams?
Do not worry. You see, there is no prerequisite. So if you are learning from here, you can start off from here only. Anyway, the old classes are available on YouTube channel. All the recordings are available on YouTube. Slowly you can catch up with them. But anyway, we have 90 the more dashakams to go. So you keep up with the class. Attend the live classes continuously. Those whenever you have time, you can refer to the previous classes and then learn them. So it is for all newcomers, it is the same. Because it is not like you only if you know the first 10, you know the 11. So you can learn from wherever you want, we can learn. So it is not a big problem. So as we go ahead, you can continue.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
You can
Guruji.
you can tell all your friends and family the same thing. There is no prerequisite. So whichever class you join, from that you can continue. There is no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Devi Rajan. Devi Rajan.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
I want your audio file. 10 தசகம் ஃபுல்லா இருக்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒரு ஆடியோ ஃபைல் எப்படி கிடைக்கும் எனக்கு?
10 dashakams fulla illa. The tanitaniya irukku. Tanitaniya, I think it has been uploaded on to the course website. Each one separately. Dashakam 1, Dashakam 2 audio file is there.
One dashakam.
Separately, only dashakam which I have recited. That probably if you want, you can download each one and then combine them together on your own personal thing.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Anyway, on YouTube, if you go to the playlist and just play it will play it continuously. So that is also possible. You can do it whichever way you want.
Okay, thank you.
Girija Vaidishwara. Last question. Girija Vaidishwara. You're self-muted. Girija Vaidishwara. Do you have any question?
Rendu varma namaskaram Mahodaya. Namaskaram. Rendu varma I'm trying to recite and opportunity kadakala. Anyway, I'll wait for next week. One more thing, and then this Guru Reva Gatir Guru Meva Bhaje. This every Ekadasi we keep telling 5 dashakas. அதுல வந்து ஆரம்பத்துல இதே ஸ்லோகம் சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? தியான ஸ்லோகம்.
ஆமா, இந்த 3 ஸ்லோகம் நான் வச்சிருக்கதே சொல்றேன்.
சொன்ன போறோம் இல்லையா? That is okay, good enough, right? Okay. And முடிக்கச்சே ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு தனியா சொல்றதுக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. ஸ்வஸ்தி பிரஜாபிய
இதுக்கு வந்து தியான ஸ்லோகம் மங்கள ஸ்லோகம்னு இல்ல. நம்ம வந்து முதல் ஸ்லோகம் சாந்திரானந்தாவ போதாத்மகம் தியான ஸ்லோகமா வச்சிருந்து கடைசி ஸ்லோகம் 100வது தசகத்தோட கடைசி ஸ்லோகம் அஜ்ஞாத்வா தே மகத்துவம்னு இருக்கு. 100th தசகம் 10th. இது ரெண்டையும் யூசுவல் தியானம் அண்ட் மங்களம்னு வச்சுக்கிறேன்.
சரி, ஓகே ஓகே. ஏன்னா நான் இது குருரேவ கதிர் அதுதான் சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு ஏகாதசி, இன்னைக்கு வந்து I mean we are into one group.
அதே சொன்னா கூட போதும்.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Hopefully next week I get a chance for reciting, and I will surely participate in the 25 Jasakam முடிச்ச அப்புறம் reading சொன்னேலே. I want to participate in that. நிறைய டைம்
I will have to நிறைய பேர் வருவாங்க. Okay, Ram.
That's okay. பரவாயில்லை. Yeah. Thank you. ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு. I don't want to miss any of these sessions. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ram.
Shubharam. Dhanyawadaha. We will see in the next.